Good morning students. In previous video I continued the chapter The Bond of Love, in which I have told you how narrator's wife could not live without Baba when Baba was sent to a Jew at Mysore, and you have also studied how narrator had taken his wife to Mysore to that Jew, and anyhow they had got Baba and they brought it to their house. You have also read how the narrator had arranged for an island for Baba to live, and a wooden box was also kept there in which Baba was sleeping at night. Students, you have studied how around that island a ditch was made, and time to time narrator's wife was reaching to that island and spent some hours with Baba, and she was happy. Students, so last paragraph is left. All of you open your book and see at page number 118, paragraph number 23. Now see, the way my wife and leaves it is interesting. The narrator says that how his wife was reaching to that island, as there was a ditch around the island. See the method, see the way how she was reaching there near Baba. See, the way my wife reaches the island and leaves it is interesting. I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of a mango tree. Students, there was a mango tree and its branch was hanging. The narrator had tied a rope and he had made a loop, a circle type in the end of that rope. I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of a mango tree with a loop at its end. Loop means as a circle, in form of a circle, he had made in the end of that rope, a loop was made, and narrator's wife was putting one leg on this loop, and then she was kicking off with another leg, and she was jumping over the ditch. Now see how. I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of a mango tree with a loop at its end. Putting one foot on the, she kicks off with the other to bridge the 6-foot gap. To bridge means to be. Now, narrator's wife putting one foot on that loop and kicking off with other leg. She was jumping and going over that ditch, and she reached that island of Baba. You see, she kicks off with the other to bridge the 6-foot gap. Just you have studied that the gap, the ditch was made, its breadth was 6 feet. That constitutes means equivalent, be equivalent to the width of the surrounding pit. That was the width of the ditch, means that pit. The return journey is made the same way, but who can say now that the sloth bear has no sense of affection, no memory, and no individual characteristics. Narrator is saying his wife was reaching to that island with the help of that rope, as a loop point there, by putting one foot on that loop, and with other foot she was kicking off and she was jumping over the ditch, over the pit, and she reached that island. And after spending some hours with Baba, she was again returning the same way. At last, narrator is saying, who can say now that the sloth bear has no sense of affection? Who can say that the sloth bear has no affection, no love for others? Nobody can say. Means everybody can say that a sloth bear had affection to others. Just he was loving and its example is that he loved narrator's wife. And no memory and no individual in characteristics means quality. Nobody can say that a sloth bear had no personal quality, individual quality, and he has no sense of memory, he has no sense of affection, he had no memory. Nobody can say means a sloth bear had good memory, as after 3 months when he saw narrator's wife in the zoo, he recognized her. So it is proved that a sloth bear has memory as well as he has feeling of love towards others, and he has a special quality, individual quality. In this way, students, this lesson is completed, and you have to revise this session. You have to write difficult word meanings, and let's see today let's discuss over the questions that are given in this lesson. Now see, what are some headings? Find the relevant paragraphs in the text to match the heading. Here some headings are given, and you have to match it for which paragraph this heading will be suitable. It is not necessary to write in your paper copy, but you should find out in your book which heading will be suitable for which paragraph. See second question. Answer the following, second part of the question. Answer the following questions. This you have to do in your paper copy. Second and third part you have to do. I got him for her by accident. Who said this? I got him for her by accident. Narrator has said. The writer has said this. Who do him and her refer to? Him refers to Bruno, means Baba, and her refers to narrator's wife. You have studied. What is the incident referred to here? In the beginning you have studied the incident that when the narrator and his companions were passing through the sugarcane field, all of a sudden they saw a sloth bear that came out of that sugarcane field, and narrator did not want to kill that bear, but one of his companions had shot it. But after that they saw that a small bear, a baby bear was clinging to the back of that sloth bear, and they caught it. Narrator had caught it and brought to his house, and he had given to his wife as a pet animal. This incident had given here. Next, he stood on his head in delight. Who does he refer to? Baba or Bruno? Why was he delighted? As he had seen narrator. Who does we all stand for? We means narrator, his wife and his son. Who did they miss? They miss Bruno. They miss Baba. Why did they nevertheless feel relieved? They nevertheless felt relieved. As Baba had grown up, Baba had grown adult, it had been big, so it was not possible to keep in the house. And when it had gone, they felt relieved, and at last they felt happiness, relief when it was sent, and this was the answer. Next, answer the following question in 30 to 40 words each. On 2 occasions, Bruno ate and drank something that should not be eaten, drank. What happened to him on these occasions? This question we have to answer. Total answer I will not tell. 2 incidents that I have taught you in the lesson. First time how he had eaten some amount of poison, barium carbonate. What was its effect on him? You have to read the paragraph again and write the answer yourself. Next time it had drunk about a gallon of old engine oil. It did not affect him, but for the first time when he had taken the amount of poison, barium carbonate, he was suffering from paralysis. And what happened? You read and you should write yourself. Next question. Was Bruno a loving and playful pet? Today also I have told you he was a loving, he loved the narrator's wife, and he was playful. you have studied that you are playing with a trunk of a tree. There was a piece of that he thought it was baby, and while somebody was asking him, where is your baby? So he moved that thinking that it was a baby. And taking a bamboo in his hand, he was saying, he was thinking that it was a gun, he was pointing towards others, so he was playful. And then did he have to be, why then did he have to be sent away? Today I have told you that it had been big and it was not possible to keep at home. How was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved? The problem was solved when the narrator had made an island and it was kept there on the island. Further, students, all these questions you have to write in notebook. Students, here some words are given that you have to complete. Don't write in your copy, but you should fill here in the book by taking the help from the dictionary and fill it. In this way, students, this chapter is completed. You have to write the different word meanings and solve the questions and write in your fair copy, and you should submit it on 24 October. You should submit it on 24 October to your respective teachers. Thank you.